What if I told you that by 2030, your job might not need you anymore? Not because you weren't good enough. Not because you were replaced by another human. But because a machine could do it faster, cheaper, and more perfectly than you ever could. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is real, and it's happening right now in the UK. From call centers to courtrooms, factories to pharmacies, artificial intelligence is coming for jobs most people thought were untouchable. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 jobs AI is on track to replace in the UK by 2030, backed by real research, government reports, and jaw-dropping innovations already in use. Stay with me till the end, because if your job isn't on this list, someone you love might be next. Section 1. Job 5. Call center age. Microphone. Let's start with the most obvious one, call center agents. You've probably already noticed it. You call your internet provider, and a robot answers. You try to cancel a subscription, and a bot walks you through it. In the UK alone, over 1.3 million people are employed in customer service-related roles. But thanks to natural language processing models like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and IBM Watson, most of these interactions can be automated. The AI doesn't need lunch breaks. It doesn't get emotional. And it can talk to 500 customers at the same time. Lightbulb Real UK example, BT British Telecom has already tested automated AI customer support agents for their broadband service. By 2030, experts estimate that 70% of all customer service calls in the UK will be handled without human intervention. Section 2. Job 4. Retail cashiers. Coming in at number 4, retail cashiers. The next time you're in a Tesco or Sainsbury's, look around. You'll see more self-checkout machines than people. But here's the twist: soon, these won't be dumb barcode scanners. They'll be powered by AI vision systems and voice assistants that can detect theft, recognize items, and even offer product recommendations. Lightbulb Real UK example, Amazon Fresh stores in London have already gone fully cashierless, using AI to track what you take and charging your account automatically as you walk out. That means thousands of entry-level retail jobs could be phased out by 2030. Chart decreasing. According to PwC UK, retail is one of the top 3 sectors most at risk from AI automation in the next 5 to 7 years. Brain. Section 3. Job 3. Legal assistant. Microphone. Think legal jobs are safe? Think again. At number 3, legal assistants and paralegals. Traditionally, these professionals review contracts, prepare legal documents, and research case law. Today, AI like Harvey AI used by Allen & Overy, one of UK's biggest law firms, can do all that in seconds. Imagine this. AI reads 100 pages in 3 seconds. Flags contradictions. Suggests edits. Searches 50 years of case history in under a minute. Lightbulb Real UK example, in 2023, Big Four firms like Deloitte and PwC started using AI to review contracts and conduct due diligence. Lawyers aren't being replaced yet, but junior staff are the first on the chopping block. By 2030, over 30% of UK legal support roles could disappear. Section 4, Job 2, Delivery Drivers. Microphone. Next up, delivery drivers. Sounds crazy, right? The UK loves its online shopping. Amazon, DPD, Hermes, they all run 24/7. But here's the problem: humans need sleep. Machines don't. AI-powered delivery robots are already on UK streets. Self-driving vans are being tested. And drones are in early trial phases for light deliveries. Lightbulb Real UK example, in Milton Keynes, Starship delivery robots deliver groceries on sidewalks, navigating pedestrians, traffic lights, and terrain using AI. Combine that with autonomous vehicles being tested in Oxford, and by 2030, we might see 10,000 plus UK delivery roles automated. Police car light fun fact: Royal Mail announced that it's actively exploring automation to reduce costs. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. Bank Section 5, Job 1, Bank Tellers and Clerks. Microphone. And finally, the number one job AI is set to replace in the UK by 2030. Bank tellers and clerks. Remember walking into a NatWest or Barclays to deposit a check? Most of that is now done on apps. And those apps are powered by AI fraud detection, automated chatbots, and decision engines. Lightbulb Real UK example, Lloyds Bank invested £1.5 billion in AI-powered automation between 2022 to 2025. Tasks like loan approvals, credit assessments, and KYC compliance already handled by algorithms faster than humans. According to the UK Financial Services Skills Commission, over 35% of entry-level bank jobs may vanish in the next 5 years. So there you have it, the 5 jobs most at risk from AI in the UK by 2030. 1. Call center agents. 2. Retail cashiers. 3. Legal assistants. 4. Delivery drivers. 5. Bank clerks. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Because with awareness comes adaptation. The future belongs to those who learn, evolve, and stay ahead of the curve. So tell me, is your job safe from AI? Let me know in the comments. Backhand index pointing down. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future focused content only on AI Tomorrow UK.